Right, so I've been doing a little bit of Black Friday shopping and I thought I'd share it with you because I'm quite excited about it. I went on to one of my favourite companies that I like to get my bags from. If you're new around here, one of my favourite bag companies is Alpaka. I love their everyday carry sort of style. I have a few Alpaka bags, sort of like their slings, backpacks, all that sort of stuff. And they do a great range. Now, they have a massive up to 50% off sale, and if you spend X amount of money, you get a free gift. So, I think it's £75 for the first free gift. Spend £150, you get 2 free gifts. So, I bought a few gifts, but yeah, it turned up, and I'm actually excited to get into this. So, the first item I purchased is their Flow 4-litre sling. Now, I wear their Metro crossbody a lot, and I thought I'd give this a go because it's quite a nice sized sling. So, again, you've got plenty of pouches on the inside. You have a nice space as well. All their normal gubbins that come with it. The quality of the material. You know, with Alpaka, you always have the sort of like the great quality in the material that they use. You know, it's weird. They use 2 different styles. I use this key lock for storing my keys. I have one of these on, and it works on a lot of their bags, which is great. And then we also have the expandable drink pouch. Very much like my crossbody sling, you have the bottle holder. I normally carry my Ninja Thirsty. But yeah, this is item 1. I've been eyeing this up for quite a while. It's just a nice little 4-litre sling. Yeah. Plenty of storage. And you can hold your water bottle. So yeah, that's product 1. Product 2 is out of their hub system. I actually got, because I recently got their backpack. You saw the most recent Lit Boy video, the unboxing. Actually got their one of their backpacks off there, and yeah, they have this nice hub system which you can either belt mount it, pocket, even a lot of the bags come with spaces to put them, especially on, say, this one. You know, they actually specifically have spaces for them. So yeah, but this is the hand sanitizer bottle. Comes off just like that. That's the backpack I got recently. Comes with the bottle as well, so you can just go fill it up, slide it in on the hub system, and away you go. It's nice, hands-free. You can have it multiple different spots, even inside the backpack. There you have it. Spots for using the hub system in both compartments. So yeah, great, versatile, and I can use this for work. I don't use an Alpaka bag for work, but you know, the bag that I use at work, it'll clip on, and yeah, so we've got a little pocket on the back for ID cards, anything like that. But yeah, it's just an awesome little bit of kit. And it's not the only hub system bit that I have purchased. So I also got their sunglasses hub pouch. Now, what this will be great for is, I have the Ray-Ban Metas, and if I'm moving over if I'm just out and about wearing my sunglasses and I want to put the Ray-Ban Metas on to do some recording, instead of keep fumbling around with trying to put this into a different case and this into a different case. These aren't the sunglasses I currently wear, but you know, straight in. And then literally on the same system, same hub system, you're good to go. Which I think is pretty cool. I normally have my Oakley Hollybrooks, which I normally wear when I'm sort of like just walking around, that sort of stuff. And then obviously if I want to use the Ray-Ban Metas, because obviously the battery and everything else, I don't have them on constantly, especially if I'm in the car, because it uses Apple CarPlay and it confuses with, yeah, it is. So yeah, I can literally put my normal sunglasses in here because these are fleece. It's nice and soft lined inside. Absolutely amazing. 2 free gifts they sent you. I'll show you these. Then there's I think it's 2 more items. Now this is the stash pouch. You can use this actually on the hub system as well. You just have to get the hub system, but for a free gift, you know, you got space for cards, front and rear, and then space for literally pens. Not a knife I'd carry around with me or anything like that, but you know, if you have a UK safe knife for work, that sort of stuff, it's ideal for going in there. But yeah, it's just a nice little, it's a free gift as well, so I'm not complaining about it. But yeah, you can put coins in there or anything like that. It's just a nice little stash system, small, discreet. Yeah. The other item is their Go Sling Nano. I'm just trying to think. They actually sent this in sage green, so which is quite cool. Which I actually already own one of these. I own a black one, but again, it runs the same key tab, which quick release. It's nice for if you're just taking a camera out or just a few bits and bobs. It's quite a nice little. It's quite a nice little sling. And yeah, again, this was. I think I paid about £35 for my black version of this, which is just here. So yeah, it's quite nice, and it's nice to have a bit of a variety of colour, because I normally buy all of their stuff in black. One of the other things I got, because obviously going with the everyday carry, the EDC sort of, I'm really into the EDC stuff at the moment, the sort of like your everyday carrying bits, and I actually got the zip wallet because it has so much potential. Obviously it's nice, discreet, and I got it so that we can actually store our passports away in it. You can put money in it, you can put, you know, plenty, you can put your boarding passes in the front. It's just a great little sort of slide into your bag, hide it away type wallet. It's just great for that sort of thing, really. That's why I got it. They do another travelling sort of wallet, but I thought this one would be, you know, when we go on holidays, we're going away twice next year, keep our passports safe. It'll be in my backpack. Any cash that we take with us I can have in the front, and when we actually fly, I can put our boarding passes and that sort of stuff, and it'll just tuck nicely into the Alpaka backpack. The last item, this isn't actually for me. I've got this for Mel. Mel likes a tote bag, but she's very about what she uses, and I'm trying to get her to. She keeps wearing this purple backpack, She looks like Dora the Explorer. And she's had it for a little while, and we're trying to get her to use other items. So we're going to the cinema later, so I'm going to see if I can get her to use this. Because we got M this morning. She's currently at Stay and Play with Mel, but we're taking M out in a little bit. We're going to go for breakfast. We're going to go to Smith's toy store, start getting our Christmas shopping bits and pieces. But yeah, I got her this tote bag, so that I'm hoping that she's going to use this. It's a nice big tote bag, and you know, it's got storage for drinks. Look at the size of that. It's amazing. It's got a little sort of like sleeve for laptop, those sort of bits. Other storage pockets so she can separate everything. Nice big storage, and it's got some nice sort of long handles. And instead of zips, because Mel's always like, oh, I want to be able to zip it up, magnets. And this was £36 in their sale. Such a great tote bag, which hopefully Mel will start using, and we can leave the Dora the Explorer bag at home. But yeah, most expensive item was the Flow satchel, but it's something I've had my eye on for a while, and while it was discounted, yeah, it was definitely worth picking up. So yeah, that was my Alpaka haul on their Black Friday sales. I really like it. It is really nice. Test this bad boy out later on today. So yeah, what did you get? Did you get anything from Alpaka? I know I certainly did. I do have another package on the way, because I've pre-ordered their modular Soldier Pocket Pro Max thing that they have coming out at the beginning of December. And after the last unboxing from Litbuy, where I got the cheap tech case, I actually ordered the Alpaka one from Alpaka so that I can actually do a comparison. We have that video to look forward to as well. But on that note, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll be back very soon with the next video. Thanks for watching. Adios.